ready, yes? Hands in the air if you're ready, teams. I don't see everybody with their hands in the air. Come on, you gotta do that. Hands in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Yeah, it's a bit better. Nice, nice. Okay, so we're just gonna play some music and we're gonna get straight into warming up. So all I want you to do is focus on copying what Serkan does. Now, I don't know what he's gonna come out with. It's just as much as a surprise to me as what it is to you lot, okay? So let's just put some music on. I hope we all like this song. Lomu, you can join us as well whenever you want, mind. Don't be afraid. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. We like to move it. I like to move it. She like to move it. We like to move it. We like to move it. From jumping off the floor, dancing till your feet to soar. Party hard is like it's Monday, cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we born, we party cause we born to party. We gon' move our bodies with our hands to the air and wave them all around like we just don't care. Yeah, action, pop up the volume, pick up last time, shake up the ground, shake like a earthquake, shake up the ground, make a sound, make a sound, make a sound, so we're gonna do a little dance, do a little dance, do a little dance, answer my pants, answer my pants, answer my pants, that's why, yes, that's why, yes, that's why, first name photo, last name photo, music started, it will see you, wanna step in, all the girls wanna go down, hey, yo, wanna in the house, physically round. I like to move it, I like to move it, I like to move it, we like to move it, I like to move it, she like to move it, we like to move it, we like to move it, I like to party, we like to party, they like to party, we like to party, she like to shake it, she like to shake it, he like to shake it, yeah. Somebody say ho, say ho, ho. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Yo, somebody say yeah, say yeah. Back it up, 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 back it up. Give me room, come. I like to move it, I like to move it, I like to move it, we like to move it. She like to shake it, she like to shake it, she like to shake it, yeah. We like to party, we like to party, we like to party, we like to party, we like to move it, he like to move it, they like to move it. Oh! Oh my word! And there was the start of the Crazy Frog. Right, do we all feel pretty warm after that? That was pretty intense for a warm-up, yeah? Did we all enjoy Serkan's warm-up? Give me a thumbs up if you did. I told you Serkan can be silly. Okay, so really important, now that we've done our warm-up, we're just going to stretch it out a little bit. Make our muscles nice and long as well.
ready for the next big block of work. So I'm going to put a little bit of stretching music on for us. And we're just going to take some time to stretch out our muscles. So just taking your feet nice and wide, lift your chest, pull your shoulders back, take a big breath in and reach up. Reach up really tall, hold to the top. Nice long spine. Good. Now as you start to breathe out, peel your arms back and down. And then you want to take hold behind your back and pull. So we stretch out the front of our shoulders. That's it, everyone stay facing the front. And release, give it a shake. Right, let's stretch our legs. Starting with our calves. So taking one leg back nice and long. Push your heel down to the ground, just like Sergen's showing us. And then we're just going to bring our hands to our hips and lift our chest. And then just bringing the hands together, push forwards, and we can feel the stretch across our back. Stepping it in, same leg, one arm comes out for balance, and we're just going to hold at our shoelaces and pull our heel in towards our butts to stretch all the way down our quads. Good, and release. Let's change sides, everyone. So taking the other leg back, push your heel down, feel the stretch in the bottom of your leg. And then bring your hands to the lower part of your back and just lift your chest. Take hold and push forwards. Slowly release. Step in the back foot in. Other hand out comes for balance. And then take hold of the shoelace. Pull your heel into your butt and stretch down the front of your thigh. Okay, now before we let that leg go, take it behind and we come into side stretch, reaching all the way up and over. And changing sides, other leg comes back, nice big side stretch. And release. Right, lovely stuff. Let's get into the nitty gritty of it and get a bit hot and sweaty. So, checks first. Have we all got our trainers on? Have we all got our water bottles to hand? And are we all ready to get moving? Give me a scream if you are! Woo! Excellent, well done. Okay, so on the board behind me, now I know you can't see from where you are because it's all backwards, but right here where Lumu is pointed out, we have the word Valindra. And for each letter in Valindra, we have got a different exercise. And we are going to do that exercise for 30 seconds, and then we're going to take 30 seconds rest. Does that sound good to everybody? Give me a thumbs up if it does. Good, I can't see any thumbs down at the minute, so that's a good sign. Okay, so, shout out everybody, what do we think the first letter in the word Valindra is? A V. So our first exercise is going to be something called a V-sit. So for this, I want everybody to come down to the ground, sitting on your bottoms. So we're all going to sit on our bottoms, and I'll show you from the side. You're going to brace your belly really tight and lean back. Now if you want, you can keep your heels down, or you can lift them and reach, and that'll make it tighten even more, so you'll feel all your strong belly muscles working. And we're going to hold that for 30 seconds before we take 30 seconds rest, and we're going to go into our next exercise. Now, everybody come back up onto your feet for me first. Our next exercise in the word Valindra is going to be the letter E, and we've got explosive jump squats. So if you think you have an idea of what that may be, show me now. Just wherever you are, just show me what you think an explosive jump squat is. I can see lots of people jumping, excellent. But we want to get the squat in as well. So we want to come down really low before we jump and power up really high. So that's going to be our explosive jump squat. Next up is the letter L. What sort of exercise do you think we can do for the letter L? Just show me what? Some lunges? Yeah, well done if you said lunges, because that's exactly what I've got for you. And then once we've done our lunges, now I doubt very much you'll know this next one, but if you do, please feel free to show. We've got the I in Valindra is going to be an inchworm. Now an inchworm, you've got to bring your hands down to the ground, big bend in the knees like you're doing a squat, and you're going to walk your hands forwards, and then you've got to jump your feet in and jump up. But then you've got to do the same thing backwards. So you bring the hands back down, you jump the feet out, you walk the hands back, and then you jump up again to finish. So we go down, walk, 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 jump in and up, and then we come back down, jump the feet back, walk, 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 and lift. Good stuff. Oh, I'd love to see everybody giving it a go. Amazing. Okay, so that's our inchworm. Next, we've got the letter N for Berlin. So for the letter N, we've got narrow push-ups. We're getting like a proper gym workout here, folks. You know? So with our narrow push-ups, I want everybody to make a diamond with your hands. Yeah? Now with that diamond, come down onto the floor. And then take your legs back a little bit. So we're here. If you want to do it on the toes, you can do it on the toes. If you want to do it on the knees, or you can bring your knees all the way under your hips. It's up to you. But don't be afraid to challenge yourselves, everyone. And then once we're there, we take it to a push-up. So just like Sirkin's showing you now. Show them again, Sirk. That's the way. So elbows come in nice and tight, and we keep the diamond shape with our hands. So that's our narrow push-up. Okay. D. D stands for donkey kicks. Who knows what a donkey kick is? Oh, I can see lots of this going on. Yeah? But don't forget, donkeys kick from behind. Yeah? So with your donkey kick, you're going to come back down to the ground, and you're going to flick your heels up towards your butt. Yeah? And you can bring your knees in a little bit as well. And that's a really good workout for the core, all the muscles around here, and our shoulders. Okay. Our R stands for Russian twists. So again, you're going to stay on the ground. So everybody come down. And a little bit like we did in the first exercise, you're just going to bring your hands together. You're going to lean back, and you're just going to go from one side to the other side. And we're just going to keep twisting for the 30 seconds. And then lastly, I'm going to keep the very last exercise as a surprise for you all, because it's a little bit of fun to finish with. So, do we all think we're ready to start this hard workout? Let's do it. Let's show the Wales rugby team what we are made of, everybody. Ready? Get some strong muscles out. Let's go. We've got 30 seconds to start. And let's get some good music on the go. Okay.
What's going on?
First exercise, we've got our V-sit. Come on down. So remember, you can keep the heels down, or you can lift them, and you can reach. No! I think I've said it before, but I'll say it again. You are a lady. Diane. Come and join us. Come on, come with you. Anytime you need to, just give it a rest and then go back into it. There's our 30 seconds done. What's our second exercise? Our explosive jump squats. So come onto your feet, everyone. Just give it a rest. We've got 30 seconds to have a rest before we go into our explosive jump squats. So let's just set up our position. Take your feet a bit wider than your hips. Soften your knees and we're getting ready to come down and up. Ready? Go! And it doesn't have to be fast. Just make sure you get really nice and low in the legs. So stick your butt out, bend your knees, weight into your heels. I feel like a bit of a crazy frog doing it. You've got 5 seconds left. Keep going everybody. And stop. 30 seconds of explosive jump squats done. 30 seconds rest. And our next exercise is the L. Do we remember what the L stood for? Lunges. Okay, so just in case you need to be reminded, there's your lunge. You can step it backwards or you can step it forward. It's up to you. Ready? Let's go. Or, if you're feeling really energetic today, you can always jump them. Yeah? Always gonna give the jumping lunges a go. That's the way. Good effort, everyone. I can hear Serkan breathing heavily next to me right now. And stop. 30 seconds rest. Catch your breath. Our next exercise is the inchworm. Now are we ready for this inchworm? Do you remember which order we've got to do it in? We come down, we walk, we jump up. We come down, we walk back, we jump up. We got 5 more seconds rest. Ready? Let's go. So come down, walk it forwards and jump up. Come back down, walk it back, jump up. Come down, walk forwards, jump up. Keep it going, everybody, as many as you can. Don't forget, the teams that work the hardest and the schools that work the hardest, there will be one special winner to be given that £250 on Monday. Well done. That's your 30 seconds, everybody. Relax. No more inchworm yet. Next one is our narrow push-up. So make your diamonds and come down to the floor. Ready? 5 seconds left. Bring your weight forwards, knees or toes. Let's go, down and up. So when you do a narrow push-up, you're working all the way down the back of your arm by here into the tricep. And we need to keep our upper body really nice and strong, yeah? Do you need a bit of assistance from Lomu? Serkan, yeah. Well done, Lomu, for helping him. Oh, and there's 30 seconds. Okay, what's our next exercise, everybody? It was the D. D was the donkey kicks. So stay on the ground. Hands under shoulders. And don't take it to your toes just yet. We're going to catch our breath first because you've all worked so hard already. In 5 seconds. Get set. Let's go! Donkey kicks! Keep it going. Serkan, are you okay? He's working really hard for you, everybody. you do. Can you count how many you're doing? Stay down. Keep it going. And time. Okay. We've got one more exercise, and it's the R for Russian twists, and then we're going to add on the surprise for the E at the end. So Russian twists, do you remember? So leaning back, brace here, hands together, and we're taking it from side to side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Side to side. And if you're feeling clever, pick your heels up. Excuse me, Lomu. I think they need to see Sergen. If you really want to get in on the camera, let all the boys and girls know that you're here. If you just come around to the back by here, look, and you can join in with us then. There's no need to be sad. Come on, don't pout now. Okay. Ah! Right. Okay, everyone. How are we feeling so far? I'm just going to let you take a little bit longer to catch your breath for the very last exercise, which is the letter E. Now, our E is going to be, ready? Can I get a drum roll? On the thighs, drum roll, drum roll. It's going to be elevated elbow plank. Now, what this means is you have got to work in partners. So, get the person next to you, and the two of you are going to team up to help each other do this elevated elbow plank. Now, I don't know which one to choose by here. I can either choose Sergen or I can choose Lomu. Which one do you think? In all fairness, everybody, I think Sergen has worked so hard right now. I don't think he's going to want to help me with this next one. So Sergen, you go take a break over there, and I will show everybody the elevated elbow plank. Okay, Lomu, come here. I need you to take hold of my ankles. So do you remember when I was little and in school, and I used to do a wheelbarrow? Do you remember the wheelbarrow? Right, Lomu is going to help me show you how to do the wheelbarrow, everybody. So, this is trust in your partner now. Whoever you're with, give them one foot, hold at the ankle really secure, and then give them the other foot. And from there, you're going to come down onto the elbow, and then you've got to try and push yourself back up. It's really hard, but it's good fun. Lomu, you can put my legs down now, please. Thank you. So have a little practice with each other first. Decide which one of you is going to hold the ankles and which one is going to go on the floor. And then see if you can bring your elbows down and then back up onto your hands. Oh, I can see some amazing efforts going on here. How hard is that? And you know what? If you find it's a bit too hard getting the elbows down and then pushing back up, you can just do some push-ups. And it doesn't matter how far you go. So, do we think we are strong enough and ready to do 30 seconds of that? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. In fact, give me a thumbs up if you thought that was easy. Let's give it a try. Okay, so Lomu, I need you to stay with me now, okay? Because don't forget, it's your turn later as well. Okay? I don't think Lomu's happy about that decision. Let's get some music back on. Okay, 30 seconds starts now! good go then. Give me a wave if you did. Amazing. Okay, now here's the trick. We've still got plenty of time left to do it all again. So, get your brains in gear. We're going right back to the beginning. And don't forget, when we come to that very last exercise, you're now changing positions. Okay, so that person that was standing holding the feet last time is now going to know how hard it is to come up and down. Yeah? So 30 seconds on the clock, we are going back into our V-sit. Come on down to the floor, everybody. So leaning back, brace your belly tight, and just hold it there. Are your heels down or are they lifted? Give it a try, even if it's just for a couple of seconds. And if you want to dance to it, feel free. 30 seconds done, coming up onto your feet. We've got the E for explosive jump squats. So show me what you remember. What did we do for explosive jump squats? There's the squat and then explode, yeah? I think we need to keep an eye on Serkan for this one, because sometimes he doesn't go all the way. You ready, Serk? Let's go! 30 seconds starts now, everyone! Come on, get down low into the legs. That's it, let me come closer. Let me see how you're all doing. Williamstown, come on! Yes, well done! And stop. Right, there's your 30 seconds of your explosive jump squats. Next up is the L, the lunges, yeah? So take a rest first, catch your breath, and then remember, if you want to jump them, you can. Otherwise, you can just step them forwards or backwards. We've got 8 more seconds of rest. Wait for it. Let's go. Get lunging. Now remember, everyone, when you're lunging, the key is to step long, to be able to drop low, and you've got to keep your back heel up off the floor to let your knee go all the way down. I secretly think Serkan is enjoying this workout. He's really making the most out of it for you. Serkan, come and show everybody how much you're sweating. Look how hard he's working, everyone. Look at all this sweat. Okay, stop. 30 seconds done. Into our inchworm. Now I want to see bigger and better inchworms this time. Yeah? And if there's any gymnasts here or cheerleaders or dancers, then they will know exactly how to do the worm. We've got 5 more seconds rest. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come down. Walk it forward. Jump and left. Go back. Walk it back. Jump. Come down. Bring it through. Yeah. Really put your mind to your muscle and work your legs hard. Come on, Serkan. That's the way. Who's jumping higher? Me and Serkan or Lomu? Okay, stop there. Take your rest. 30 seconds done. Next exercise. Narrow push-ups. So make your diamond and come down to the floor. Ready? We've got 15 more seconds rest yet. So let's just make sure that we're prepared, ready to go. 5 seconds. Make your diamond now. Ready? Down and up. Here we go. fast. You can do it at whatever speed you want. The importance is that you keep going even when you feel you really need to stop. That's what makes the difference. In 3, 2, 1. Time, 30 seconds rest. Into the D. What did the D stand for? It's not a horse, it's a donkey. Let's do our donkey kicks. So stay down on the ground. And we're gonna make our plank. Brace your belly tight in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Donkey kick, donkey kick. Hey, Lomo, how do lions kick? Like a donkey. Ah, so you can do the donkey kicks then. Come on, Lomo. Lomo, 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 Lomo. Ah, look at him go, everyone. I think he needs to get back to it. Where did you come from, Lomo? And practice them kicks. Okay, everybody stop, take rest. We've got our Russian twists. So, back into the core work. This time we take it from side to side. I thought Lomo was going to sleep then. Lean back, ready? Hands together. Let's go, side to side. Feet down or feet up, it's up to you. Just bring your hands all the way around to the hip. I thought you were making like a pillow for him then. Oh, you are? Yeah, I thought so. 5 more seconds, everybody. Keep it going, keep it going. And relax. Right, 30 seconds rest. Now, I've already done my bit. Oh, no, you two. Come on, get back up because you're helping each other on this one. It's time to go into the elevated elbow plank. So, you two need to decide who's on the floor and who's holding the ankles. Personally, I think Lomo should go on the floor because he held my ankles last time. Come on, Lomo, it's your turn. You've got 2 seconds. Quick, come on, lazy lion. Let's go. So elbows down and then back up onto your paws. That's the way. Keep it going. Do you need me to help hold your tail up, Lomo? Come on, everybody. Give him some encouragement. He needs to know that you can do it as well. Are we okay? Is everybody okay? And time! 30 seconds is done. Give yourselves a clap, everybody. You have done 2 rounds of the Lindra workout. So, let's start to bring ourselves around a bit. Grab a drink if you need one. Have you got some water with you that you need to take? Go take a sip of water and then come straight back in. Do you want me to keep Barbie Girl on for you, sir? Okay, sorry, Sig, I've got to stop it there. I promise I'll put it back on for you later. Right, do we all feel a little bit fresher? Yeah, we've had a little drink of water now. We're not feeling as thirsty. We've rehydrated. And now we're just going to take it into a bit of a cool down. And then we're going to stretch. Okay? Are we all good with that? I think we've earned the cool down and the stretch. So, Serkan is going to take us through some sort of silly cool down. And then I will stretch us all out to finish. Okay, so everybody watching Serkan. What are we doing?
you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door. The blues won't haunt you anymore. With a brave heart, breathing lover's soul, come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down a garden gate. There's not much time left today.
The last one. Knees up. And knees up. Nice cool down. One more minute. And big swing.
Oh, it's like ballet dancers' legs without the pointed toe. Or is it like a martial arts kick?
Okay, all yours.
Okay. How are we feeling, everyone? Have we restored to our normal level of breathing now? Let's take it into some stretches. Okay. So just taking your feet wide again, easing down into the legs. Use your elbows to rest on your knees and push them out so you get a nice stretch into the hips. From here, turn your toes towards the front and reach down as far as you can. So it could be to the floor, you could just be supporting at your lower leg, or you may prefer to come up a little bit higher. It's up to you. Now knee bend, roll your spine up. Head comes up last. And we're going to do some neck rolls. So just circle the head round one way. Do it again. And take it back the other direction. Okay, now we've given our shoulders a good workout today. So bring one arm across, hold just above the elbow. Feel the stretch come across the shoulder, right on the outside and the back of it. Changing arms. Take a big breath in, open your arms wide, stretch your chest. Okay, stepping the feet in, take a big breath in, reach up. And open. Taking hold behind the body, pull the hands down, lift the chest. And we're just going to circle out our wrists, both directions, and then our ankles. So inwards and outwards. And we're going to give everything a shake. And then lastly, we're going to give ourselves a big clap. Well done, everybody.